Tapos nilagay sa ulan siya. Hindi pa rin siya sanay. Tawagin yung piso mo. Mabayaran ko na lang yung... Anong kukunin mong parcel? Ako. Sige.
Tapos the rest.
This is a Westinghouse ceiling fan in a restaurant in a city called San Pablo in the Philippines. This fan is also known as the Canon Grand Builder. Now it's usually sold as Westinghouse, but there are a few sold as the Canon Grand Builder. It's very interesting diameter. It's in black finish. The light doesn't work, so I don't have to show you that. And it's a short spin down. Probably with the bearings are bad, and also the wobble on high is crazy. At first, it hardly wobbles, but then all of a sudden you'll see a bad wobble. So I'll be sitting here for a while showing you. Moves good air though. Slow down slightly. All of a sudden it'll just start wobbling badly. Just don't know. So my second attempt on the video. If somebody comes in, I don't think someone's came in at the first attempt. So this is the second attempt. If someone comes in now, I'll wait until I'm sure the room's complete. I just have to. Guess I'll be here a while. I'm hoping that this. Oh, there it goes. There's the bad wall we're talking about. This is medium. It's usually a medium when I came here, but I turned it on high. Sort of to help them. Medium sort of. See, good medium. There's a nice low as well. I'm not going to show you reverse, even though the reverse is easy accessible. I don't really want to mess with restaurant fans so much unless I take videos of them or I need them to be at higher lower. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is another one of those 30-inch Westinghouse swirl ceiling fans, I guess you could call them that. It's 30 inches in diameter as well. As you can see, downstairs this one has the light work. I'm not going to turn off the light because isn't this a bubble so much and it goes faster.
Okay ka lang, Pia? Kaya naman kung wala akong pasok bukas, baka tumagal tayo na.
Nakainis dapat sandwich eh.
Parang na walang pasok.
Hindi ka lang muna na anak, makabukas.
I guess you can disturb the light quickly.
Di ba ang hirap?
Kutsara na lang.
Ay, parang alam ko na pa.
Ay, ito na sila.
It's more played. Actually, it's a long spin down. The other one has a short spin down.
Sumating ba na? Yeah. Sige, tingnan mo kung nagkakamit ng mami.
Rather than a lower ceiling, so it's actually flush mounted. You can see. It's full glass. It goes beyond 300 RPM, so it's quite fast. It's a small fan, so it makes sense. Medium. I'll turn the lights for better. Actually, it doesn't make a difference. And low it does, I think. Actually, also. No, low. And now I'll turn on the light to see if it has better. I turned the light anyway, but that's how I found it. Anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching.
It's all in a day, one day in a life. It's all in the one word. The one word is goodbye. Goodbye. For me, it's all in what you say. That you've tried to be kind. It's all in the words from the lips that once touched mine with a sigh. Goodbye. For you, it's all in your face, the laugh and worry lines. It's all in